Good afternoon, all. Today is January 7th, 2013. This is the trading room recap for the day. We had a rough day trading today. We luckily ended up in the green at the end of the day rally, but man, we started out rough. It wasn't an easy day. As you can see here, man, we had a decent bear trend from the end of Friday overnight and into today, and then went into a range, and still had a bias long from the rally on Friday. You can see here, and so I was looking for a long position, and we had a signal bar here. Took that signal and put an order in a tick above the close or the high of the signal bar, and got filled and went against me. Lost 2 points right out of the gate Monday morning, which seems to be what happens on Monday morning. And what made it more painful is it took me out by a tick and then went up, and would have been a profitable trade. Probably would have made a point or so off of it, point and a half. But I didn't get us down, so we jumped back in the market on a short signal, and I was feeling the pain from my earlier loss, so I had a pretty tight stop, which is against my plan, but managing my risk, and I didn't want to take too much more of a loss, but came up and took me out to the tick again, and then dropped. Son of a bitch. But so it goes. So I took two losses in a row, both decent trades, but just didn't go my way. So that dropped down. We hit some support down here, and figured that we were ready for a long, so I took it off of this signal bar here, went long, and again took me out by a tick, and then went long. So 3 trades taken out by a tick in a row. Painful. Now, it's okay once in a while when you're wrong and you lose. That happens, but when you do a decent trade and you get taken out by a tick and it goes your way, that really blows. And 3 in a row, that was painful. But the day got better. We took a long on this signal bar here. Was bouncing around the day low here for a little bit, and we took a long position and went our way. Again, I was feeling the pain from my losses earlier, so I had a really tight stop. Once it went in my favor, I set my stop to one tick past over break even, and I got taken out. So I made a tick on that trade, which I should have held. But part of the mental game for me is, managing your risk once you're down, and I was keeping things a little bit too tight. So we jumped back in again on a decent signal. The signal bar was here, but I wanted to kind of wait and see what was happening, and so I jumped in a little bit later, and then went in our way for the rest of the day. Closed a part of the position here, added on here, and closed the remainder out at about 12:30 this afternoon. So made all my money back on this little stretch from here to the end of the day, which was a really good trade. And so we ended up plus the day, I don't know, a point and a half or so. And but I'm not too down. Forex was good today. We ended the day over 100 pips, which is unusually well for one day of trading on that. So we traded the euro dollar, which was good. So anyways, overall, we're up on all contracts today. So not too sad about it. But back at it again tomorrow. And like I said, once the room closes out tomorrow about 9:15, 9:30, we're going to be in Skype for the remainder of the day. So catch us there. I will post a Skype name or tell you what it is in the room tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow.